Hello, I'm going to show how to use the slow motion blueprint from the platformer game. Create a new third-person project. I'm going to name mine Slow Motion and press Create. I'm using Unreal Engine version 4.22.0. I'm going to use assets from the platformer game for this demo. I'm migrating assets using Windows File Explorer. I'm going to copy files from the platformer game content directory to the slow motion content directory, copy blueprints and sounds, and paste. Expand the slow motion content directory, go into blueprints, highlight everything except for text BP and press delete. Highlight text BP, right click, edit. This delay will increase the slow motion time. I'm going to change it to 2.1, compile and save. Under Contents, Blueprints, drag in the text BP. Text is optional. For scale, I'm going to put 555. I'll press play to test. This is the normal running speed. Now I'll run by the trigger to trigger the slow motion.